So here's a simple description on how the breath works. So when you inhale, your lower lungs expand, then your middle lungs expand and your upper lungs expand. When your lower lungs expand, it applies a pressure to your diaphragm at the base of your rib cage. That presses the diaphragm down. As the diaphragm presses down, it presses on your internal organs. Your internal organs press on your abdominal wall and the trunk of your body expands. So it's important that you allow yourself to abdominal breathe, to belly breathe, because you're freeing up your lower lungs. When the middle of your lungs expand, you're breathing more into your rib cage. So your intercostal muscles at the side, you'll feel them working. And you want to allow them to expand and allow the back of your rib cage to expand. When your upper lungs expand, they come up to just below your collarbone. So there's a very small part of your lungs, so you need to give an extra moment or two to allow your upper lungs to fill with ease. When you exhale, your lower lungs first, they exhale, you empty your lower lungs. That takes the pressure off your abdominal wall, the pressure off your internal organs. Your diaphragm draws back up, then your rib cage starts to constrict and your upper chest begins to constrict. And very simply, in and out through your nasal passage, and that's the simplicity of how your breath works. It's very important that the body is in a position that allows it to breathe freely and easily, which I'm going to discuss in the next video.